Today's January 3rd, 2025. I'm booted into my daily driver, Vanilladpup64, but I do use frequently other PuppyLInux, so all of them are installed in the pups partition here. So there are many PuppyLInux ISOs that I can boot into, but right now I'm booted into Vanilladpup using these files. So you can see that this is 10.0.68 version, and then we can double check with neo fetch on the terminal, and it's running Vanilladpup 10.0.68. And normally speaking, though, if you're running a ISO and you don't need to upgrade in PuppyLInux if everything works to your satisfaction. But I did notice that in latest download, you can download 10.0.69 ISO. And I'll go through quickly to how to do that manually, and I find that this is probably the best and most efficient way of doing this to upgrade. So what you can do is just go back into the Vanilladpup folder, and then this is the kernel, and all the SFS files need to be changed. init.rd also needs to be changed. So everything needs to be changed except you want to keep the SAVESPEC file if you have it, because this is a UEFI machine. So this specifies where you want to have a save folder, which in my case is here in this partition. So here under this partition, under save folder, there is this Vanilladpup save 710. So what we want to do is keep this configuration and all the application the same, yet boot into the Vanilladpup, the latest upgrade version. So we're gonna go through that. So right now this is again a Vanilladpup. This is the one I'm using right now, and then here is the files. Do you want to mount this image? Yes. And then let me just put this over onto the right side. What we want to do is replace all these files, and hopefully I can do this without recording a problem here, because this is pretty much all running in RAM now. So I'll just go ahead and here, this is the partition. I'm gonna Control A, and then Control and left click on the mouse, and then save that, but erase everything else. So I just did that, and now what we want to do is grab the files, all the SFS files. This is from the new ISO. So SFS files, and then two more, VM-Linux and init.rd, and then we're just going to grab those, and then with our left mouse down and drag them all over here and copy. Okay, so all the necessary files are in the appropriate partition now. So we'll go ahead and close that, and close this. We don't need this, and then this. And then now what we want to do is take a look at the so this is summary of what I'm doing here is replace Vanilladpup partition with files, except for save file, save specific save file, and you're gonna use the same save partition and save folder, and then you get a warning later on when you reboot that there's you want to update the save folder to match the new upgrade version, and you can just give it an OK or yes. And then grub menu, we want to take a look. We're going to take a look at the grub menu, and right now it's we're going to look at the grub CFG, but this is a UEFI machine, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at the grub menu. And the grub menu is gonna, for me, is gonna have many other BionicPup32 and Bookworm32 and so on. We don't want anything else to be changed. So what I need to do is go to VP folder, which is right here, and let me try to make this a little bit more readable for you. So here's VP. So here's VP. When you look at this, it has everything loading VMLins, and it doesn't specify SFS files, which is the ones that's changed. So let me just close that again and open this up via VP. So it doesn't specify 69 from 68 to 69. So I think that my guess is that it can remain exactly the same, so we're not going to change anything at all. And then we're going to close everything, and we're going to save it. So now here I've booted into upgraded 69 version here, so I'm still using the same Vanilladpup save 710 save folder, so it looks very much the same. We can go ahead and take a look at the partition folder again, the puppy folder, and you can see that this is 10.069. So, and then we can also check with the neofetch. So neofetch, and then you can see that is 10.069. So here xterm looks different, but let me just do something. xrdb merge and x resources, and then see if that will correct the problem. And then we're gonna so that did correct the problem. So now everything looks exactly the same. So I hope this is helpful to for your next upgrade. If you want to, again, you don't need to really do it unless something is not working or you need a new updated feature. I hope this has been helpful.